Need to fix Netflix connection error on mobile data? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. First thing first, you have to check whether the cellular data is turned on or not. Or else you can turn it off and turn back on. It will refresh the cellular data. If it's not working, then all you can do is turn on the airplane mode and then turn back off. After that, head over to the settings, move into general, scroll all the way down and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset. Now click on reset network settings. Enter the passcode of your device. Now once again tap on reset network settings. Most of the time resetting the network settings has fixed the issue. Now the next thing you want to try doing is tap and hold this assistive touch and click on restart. Once it has been restarted, you might be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.